Hello everyone. Again, Mayeli Tatiana Maris Vasquez, the course English B1, the psychology program. I am going to present my ideal job. My ideal job is to be a psychology coaching specialized in neuropsychology. I would like to be independent. I will be the administrator of my own company. I would like to have a salary of at least 5 million. In my work, I will be able to travel around the world, to know many places, to teach and also to learn from the people with whom I will share. My work will also help to generate employment for other people. With this, I will also help support their families in addition to the money I earn. I will create a foundation in which poor children can access free education. This will be my ideal job. Thanks for your time.